How to switch account on Fortnite. Sign out and log in with different Epic Game account. Close Fortnite completely. Open the Epic Games launcher. Click profile icon in the top right corner. Click it. Scroll down. Select sign out. Click it. Once sign out, after enter the email and password for the other Epic Games account. Enter your email. And also if you are using any other way to sign in means you can use the other ways and you can sign in. After enter the password, click sign in. If you have a security check means you need to enter the 6-digit code, enter it and click continue, then sign in. After sign in, you need to launch Fortnite from the launcher. Open up library and check. The game will load using the newly signed in Epic Game account. Load it and use it. Thank you.